Okay, what's going on YouTube? Today we're filming another video. Today we're doing a Jordan 4 unboxing video. We have the Jordan 4 Crafts and the Jordan 4 Oil Green or Jordan 4 Seafoam Green, whatever you want to call it. We end up getting both this February. Today's the 19th when I'm filming this. So yeah, it'll be a short video. We'll jump straight into it, just unbox them. And yeah, I have to kind of hurry this up a little bit because I do have to go ship these off and get some more boxes for some more shoes. So yeah, like I said, we'll just jump straight into this. So like this video and stay tuned for more. Okay, so as you can see, we end up getting 3 pairs. The 2 bottom ones are the Jordan 4 Oil Greens, and then the top one is the Jordan 4 Craft. So yeah, I only ended up hitting a few of them because I didn't end up having as much money as I thought I would. I ended up spending like way too much money on the Jordan 1s and more of the other shoes. I ended up getting 5 of the Jordan 1s, 2 of these, 1 of these. Like I said, the top one's the Craft, and the bottom 2 are the Oil Green. I wish I would have went more crazy on the Oil Green ones because the resale is a lot higher than the Craft though, so that's unfortunate. But like I said, we'll get straight into it. The first shoe is the Jordan 4 Craft. This is the box. I personally think this shoe is whatever. I like the colors on it, but I don't know if I would keep it personally. You can see it. It's like this gray material. This front is canvas, but this is like the leather. It's nice. This is cream. It's not really like a white color, and then the bottom has like that cream brown and the cream white as well. So like I said, this isn't like a bad shoe or nothing. It's just not my cup of tea. It's not bad though by any means. I have a size 12.5 here, which I'm actually going to ship this off today, and then I think I'm going to keep the others for now. But yeah, this one's for sure getting sold. I think resale is around $280. I know locally you can get these off for $300 though. That's what I'm trying to do. But this one I am going to ship. So this is the first shoe. It's nice. I think I'm going to record a more like cinematic view of them at the end, so I'll plug those in later on. But yeah, this is just the first shoe. Okay, if the camera looks different, it moved, my bad. These are the Jordan 4 Oil Greens. We ended up getting 2 of these. I had a 9.5 women's and then an 11.5 women's. The camera keeps moving, bro. My bad if the camera keeps changing. Okay, open these up. These are the Jordan 4 Oil Green or Seafoam Green. I think these look really nice. The 11.5 women's, I think translates to like a 9.5 men's or a 10 men's. So I can actually fit that size. Put this down. Yeah, this is actually a really nice shoe. I actually really like this color. It's the patent leather with the Seafoam Green and the green on the bottom. I think this one right here is really nice. It's really good. Easy to match with, especially with the spring coming up. I don't think there are extra laces. I think it is just the white ones. But overall, I think this shoe is way better than the Craft back there. I like this one a lot more. And similar to the Craft, I'll put a more cinematic shot later, just kind of showing off both the shoes and just so you guys can get a better look. These right here, you can really get these off locally for $320 to $340. My local isn't that good, so I definitely can't get nothing that high. But if you live in a bigger city, you most definitely can. I am selling mine to a consignment store, and I'll be getting roughly $310. So yeah, overall, I think this shoe is really nice. It's a good one to add to the collection. I may keep mine. I'm trying to sell the blue 11s that I have first, and if I could sell those, then I'll definitely keep mine. But if not, I'll end up selling both of them. But I do think this shoe is really nice and one that was a good cop of February. So that kind of wraps up the video. We only ended up getting 2, like I said. Not as much as I originally wanted, but it is something that we have to deal with. I should have more videos coming out soon. I did end up missing a lot of drops, like I said, just because of the lack of money and because there just really hasn't been nothing good that I really wanted to focus on. I ended up spending a lot more money on shoes than I expected, so now as we're coming towards the end of the month, I just don't have as much to spend, so I have to kind of be picky with what drops I really do want to go for. So I think we should have some more dunks dropping soon, which should be really exciting, and I do want to get the botting video out. I know I keep talking about it, so I'll try my hardest to get that out soon. But like I said, this kind of wraps up the video. I'm going to go ship these shoes off now, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys leave a like and subscribe for more. Like I said, we'll have more videos soon, so like this video up, and thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.